In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. After that, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, click on this area or swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!